So guys, I have some exciting news to share with you about some new scrunchies that are launching this weekend on omgscrunchieclub.com. So stay tuned. Hey girl, hey! Welcome to OMG Scrunchie Club. My name is Lamiel and I'm the Scrunchie creator of OMG Scrunchie Club. But before we get started, let's check out my new OMG Scrunchie Club looks here. So, if you're watching this video, you are here to check out some of the new and exciting scrunchies that are launching this Saturday on omgscrunchieclub.com. So, it is a Birthstone collection. So in this particular collection, you not only get a scrunchie with your Birthstone color, but you get a necklace as well. So let me zoom out so that you can check out this cute little heart-shaped Birthstone necklace. So here it is. So my birthday is in February, so my Birthstone color is amethyst. So I'm wearing an amethyst OMG scrunchie XXL headband. No, not headband, I'm sorry, scrunchie. And this one is made out of organza. I'm going to do a video hopefully soon about the difference in organza, chiffon, and tulle. So hopefully I'll have time to do that. I have several other videos that I'm doing as well. And also this cute little heart shaped amethyst Birthstone color necklace. And also I made some earrings just for this video, some cute little amethyst dangly earrings also just to complete the look. So if you think I should add these earrings to the website along with the scrunchies as maybe an additional thing you can buy, let me know in the comment section. Also, when you check out these cool little clips of the new scrunchies that will be launching this Saturday, be sure to leave a comment below about your birth month or whichever scrunchie color you like best, because there are some other months that I like other than February, but I'm just wearing this for the video, so I will be wearing all of the scrunchies eventually. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. And as always, thanks for tuning in to OMG Scrunchie Club. So let's get started with some of these Birthstone scrunchie sets for you. So here's a look right now. Once again, thanks for watching my YouTube channel, and I appreciate you all so much, and thanks for helping me grow. And if you have any suggestions for upcoming scrunchies, which I do have another collection of scrunchies that should be coming out soon. Hopefully these will launch next week sometime, because I'm trying to get a lot of stuff done during the holiday season. But I always love comments, feedback, questions, anything that you have to offer. Don't forget to leave it in the comment section. And also, please don't forget to purchase your scrunchies from omgscrunchieclub.com. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all next time. Thanks so much. Bye.